What? But it was a long time ago. No throwing shade, please. But yeah, we're about to walk to the beach. Any words, Angel?
Beach fun, fireworks.
I was about to say, hopefully I don't trip up over anything, because I fell before.
Beautiful roses.
Yes. I was about to say, if my camera seems terrible, it's because I don't have an actual camera, it's my phone. I have to notify everybody on my videos, like, until I get an actual camera. It's like, why does your videos look like that? It's off of my phone. Exactly. I still don't want a 7, I want a 6. I'm not in the mood for this headphone jack issue. Alright, we'll get to the beach soon. I'm not recording all the way from here.